Okay, I'm up in an attic right now. I'm actually sitting on the top of the stairs here that lead up into this accessible attic. And as you can see, we have an NM cable that's right on top of the floor joist here. And it runs along, and this is the opening to the attic. And then again, across the floor joist, and then just tucked under some of the floorboards. This would be a violation of section 334.23 and 320.23. When you have a cable like NM or AC or even some other cables, 320.23 requires, in an accessible attic like this, when the cables are on top of the floor joist or within 7 feet of the floor joist, they need to be protected. The cables need to be protected with suitable guard strips that are at least as high as the cable. And as you can see, there's all kinds of storage items, we'll call them, up in this attic. And some of these could easily end up right on top of this cable and cause damage to this cable. This is Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for EC&M Magazine.